I haven't known you long, but already you're the strongest person I know. You're out your mind and you're insane. I'll never claim to know what's in your brain. You've been through so much, so I'm sure you'll make it through this too. God damn it, please take everything, won't be so good so soon. So hang in there, it won't be okay. What I'm trying to say is that I'll hope and pray for you someday soon. You will make it through, I believe in you, so just hang in there. So hang in there, it won't be okay. What I'm trying to say is that I'll hope and pray for you some.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should see dreams in blue. See dreams in blue. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. The background hum of city streets and whispers from the neighbors intertwine. A distant glow of beacon lights breaking through the cracks between the blinds. Wait for it, it's hiding out of view. The tiptoes on the bedroom floor, these quiet eyes are spinning in the dark. A secret wish that none will know, she keeps it locked up in her pale heart. Wait for it, it's tired and it's true. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew.